So we're currently on with the X5 doing the interior trims, kind of tidying them up a little bit. As I said on the previous video, which you may have just seen, it's just gone on this morning. It is quite tidy, this X5. It really, well, to be honest, it's a shed. It needs a lot of work. There's a lot of things need doing paintwork wise. It's not been looked after as a rule. Mechanical it's fine, but interior is vile. I'm going to try and get some more sort of clips of the interior and just how dirty it really is. And this kind of video is to show how we can actually improve an old vehicle and actually make it feel and look like new. And to be honest, as much as I love driving it, it's the dirt and everything else that I really don't like. If you open the boot, it's just black with oil everywhere. The seats on the inside, they're really bad. So we've got Finn training at the minute, just coming to do some sort of work experience. We're just showing him how to get rid of some of the stains using a brush tool, and then we're going to be wet back in the boot, and I'll sort of show you the before and after on that as well.